If you want to log out of your X.com or Twitter account, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to sign out safely in just a few seconds. Whether you're using X on a desktop computer or a laptop, the process is very simple once you know where to look. If this video helps you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon and your account name there. This is where X keeps the account and settings menu, so click on your profile icon or your name to open it. Once you click it, a small pop-up menu will appear on the screen. In that menu, you'll see several account options, including the one you need. Look for the option that says Log Out, followed by your username. Click on Log Out at your username to start the sign-out process. After that, X will ask you to confirm that you really want to log out. This is just a safety step to make sure you don't sign out by accident. When the confirmation box appears, click Log Out again to finish. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of your X.com or Twitter account. If you ever want to sign back in, you can simply return to the login page and enter your details again. I hope this tutorial made it easy for you to follow along. If it did, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.